Welcome to the dazzling world of glass production, where professionals show off their skills like they're on a high-stakes talent show. Here, the spotlight is on using top-notch materials that not only stand the test of time, but also look fabulous in your next home improvement project. So, yes, durability and aesthetics are the name of the game. But hold your horses. Managing different sizes and shapes of glass panels is like herding cats, challenging but totally necessary. Careful placement and assembly are key to crafting a structure that doesn't look like it was designed during an earthquake. Remember, folks, attention to detail can be the difference between a masterpiece and a what were they thinking moment. Now, let's talk about the real heroes of this tale, skilled workers. Handling various glass sizes is no picnic, and their precision is directly linked to the final product's quality. It's like crafting a fine meal. If you don't pay attention, you might end up with a kitchen disaster instead of a Michelin star dish. Craftsmanship is at the heart of this production process. Filling in those pesky small spaces is crucial when prepping the panels. Think of it as putting on the perfect foundation before your big makeup reveal. Every nook and cranny needs to be covered, ensuring a flawless transition into the next steps. After all, nobody wants a glass panel that looks like it's wearing a poorly fitted outfit. Let's get to the sizes of these panels. Some can stretch up to 3 meters by 2 meters. That's right, they're practically the superheroes of the glass world, ready to swoop into various projects. Their versatility means they can be anything from your new kitchen backsplash to a chic villa window. Polishing. This stage is as critical as a first aid. Everyone wants to look their best. After the glue is applied, it's time to smooth things out and correct any thickness inconsistencies. If your panel doesn't shine like a diamond, what's the point? A fabulous finish can make all the difference. The first step in polishing is like setting the stage for a Broadway show. It's all about leveling the surface, ensuring it's primed for the finer polishing to follow. No one wants to go on stage with an uneven floor unless you're auditioning for a slapstick comedy. Using a polishing machine at high speeds is where the magic happens. It's like a wild dance party for glass, moving with uniformity to achieve that perfect water level across the surface. Just think of it as creating a perfectly mixed cocktail. Nobody wants a drink that tastes like it's been sitting on the bar since the last century. After the initial polish, it's time for a second round, because who doesn't love a good sequel? This step is golden for achieving an even smoother finish, ensuring the glass looks as good as it can. If the first round was a hit, this is the encore performance everyone's been waiting for. Step 3 in the polishing saga is all about perfection. This crucial phase focuses on eliminating those pesky imperfections to create a surface that's smoother than a jazz saxophonist on a Sunday afternoon. Aesthetic appeal is the name of the game, folks. And voila! Once the polishing is completed, that surface shines so beautifully it could make a diamond jealous. This stunning transformation illustrates just how effective these polishing techniques are. Talk about turning something ordinary into a showstopper. You think that shine is only for show? Think again. The polished surface is versatile enough to jazz up various settings, from opulent villas to cozy kitchens. This adaptability truly showcases the sheer genius of modern glasswork. Who knew glass could be the life of the party? And let's not forget the eye-catching colors and finishes available. With options like blue and crystal, the aesthetic appeal is taken to a whole new level. It's like creating your own personal rainbow without getting drenched in the process. Custom sizes? You got it! They can whip up panels as large as 3 meters by 2 meters, catering to whatever whims your heart desires. Flexibility is the name of the game, and boy, do these craftsmen deliver on that front. Now, if you're feeling particularly creative, water jet cutting technology is your new best friend. This marvel allows for unique shapes and designs, empowering you to create custom kitchen and tabletop solutions. It's like being a kid in a candy store, but instead, you're playing with sharp objects. What could go wrong? Speaking of colors, the variety is truly astounding. From bold hues to delicate shades, the choices are vast, and choosing the right color can make or break your project. So, channel your inner Picasso and pick wisely. Oh, and before we wrap this up, Let's discuss the package application process. It sounds fancy, but really it just means they've been busy ticking off completed cases. It shows there's a structured approach to using materials, because who wants to fly by the seat of their pants when it comes to glass? And finally, if you're itching to dive deeper into this fabulous world of glass, there's an open invitation for you. Feel free to connect for more information. The speaker is all set and ready to assist you in bringing these magnificent materials into your business, because who wouldn't want to sparkle a little more in life?